Hello everyone. We already discussed prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, plant cell, animal cell, structure of the plasma membrane, cell wall, and I think we have discussed models also, kinds of permeability, transport system, and everything except cell organelles of this chapter. Now in this video we will discuss about the cell organelles. In cell organelles we have a plasma membrane, cell wall, nucleus, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, centriole, cilia, flagella and endoplasmic reticulum. We already discussed about the structure of the plasma membrane and cell wall. Now we will discuss the nucleus. Nucleus is the largest organelles of the eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, they do not have an organized nucleus with nuclear envelope. They have a nucleoid which have a highly folded circular DNA without membrane. Now the structures of the nucleus. See, main 5 parts of nucleus is there. 5 parts. First is the nuclear envelope. Second is nuclear sac. Third one is chromatin material, that is DNA, you can say genetic material. Fourth one is the nucleolus, and fifth one is the nuclear matrix. And this is the structure of the simple layered structure: outer layer, inner layer, chromatin, nucleolus, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, and nucleoplasm, etc. This is the main structure of the nucleus, and the main functions are: first function is it controls all the metabolic activities of the cell. Second, it brings growth of the cell. Formation of ribosomes takes place. It regulates cell cycle. Cell cycle means meiosis as well as mitosis. Contains genetic information. Second cell organelle is chromosome. Chromosome is a thread-like structure present in the nucleus. It is the hereditary information of the cell. See, two components of chromosomes are there. One is the DNA, second one is the protein. And these are the sister chromatids, and in the center there is a centromere. In human beings, total 46 chromosomes are present, means 2n in number. The total 23 pairs of chromosomes are present. Next is the cytoplasm. Semi-fluid or fluid matrix of the cell between the nucleus and the plasma membrane, it containing all the cell organelles and inclusions. Main 3 components are there. First is the systole, second one is the cell organelles, third one is the cell inclusion. Systole is the liquid or the fluid part, transparent part. It contains 90% of the water and various cell organelles. Functions of the systole are: it is a seat of the metabolic processes of the cell, storehouse of the raw material, and distributes the nutrients and metabolites. Next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is the extensive network of the intracellular. Intracellular means within the cell. Membrane bound tubules and vesicles present in eukaryotic cells. Two types of endoplasmic reticulums are there. One is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, second one is the smooth. Now the difference between the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum are: first, as rough contains only cisternae and smooth contains tubules and vesicles. In case of the rough, ribosomes attaches with the cytoplasmic surface, and in smooth they are free from the surface. Rough synthesize proteins and smooth synthesize lipid and steroids. And the functions of the endoplasmic reticulums are: